And we're back to learn CapCut in a year, day 15. We'll go back to this clip. I've shown you that in an earlier tutorial, and it's vertically shot, so it's a typical TikTok format 9:16. If you wanted to use that on YouTube, let me cut that down a little bit to 10 seconds. Use the split function right here and then the delete key. We don't need the long clip. So again, if we wanted to use that on YouTube, we would go to the ratio, set that to 16:9. We get our black bars. Select the clip and then scale it up. I've already shown you that 370% should do the job. So we've now turned our format from number 16 to 16:9, but we have a problem because here the head of the penguin is out of frame. So I reposition it. And it's out of frame again. Now if I pull it back up, I'll play. And now it's out of frame once more. Sometimes you just have that movement in your clip, and then simply scaling it up would actually not work. I mean, it does work to some degree, but the most important information of your clip might be out of frame then. And therefore some people on YouTube, I'm pretty sure you've seen that, have gotten around with a different trick. Let's go back to 100% for the scale. So this is our starting point, the original size with a 16:9 format. And then people have copied that. You can do that by simply holding Alt and then left click drag. You can also right click on your elements, then copy, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V to paste. So it's the usual copy paste, short keys, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. But easier, as I've said, is to simply hold Alt and then left click drag. You can create copy after copy. We only need two, so the original and the copy. We've got them on two different video channels, video channel 1 and 2. I go to the bottom one, which is video channel 1. And now I scale this one up only. Once again, 370%. We'll cover the black bars. And if we play it now, that's already better. We can see everything and we don't have these nasty black bars anymore. And what most people also do is to add a blur effect to the background, and you can find that under Effects, Video Effects. It's easiest to just type in blur into the search function and press enter. And there is a basic blur that's simply called blur. You might have to download it first, just click on the download icon, and then you can left click drag it on top of the element in video channel 1. You can adjust the blur right there, but be careful, you can only do that when you've got the effect selected. When you've got the video clip selected, your menu on the top right will change. To get back to the effect adjustment, the effect edit, just go to the top left of this element. When you hover over it, there's this little icon. It will already say that you can click to edit the effect. Just activate it and the top right menu will change. And here you have the blur slider to adjust that. It's a pretty easy effect, very simple to do, but it does the job when you have clips like these, where simply scaling it up will make you lose a lot of info. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.